to PPT Janix. So in today's video, we will see how to create interactive weekly planner. Okay, so for that, I have already added some icons and a basic text box. Okay, now the first step, I'll go to the design option. I'll go to the format background. I'm going to choose some gradient. All right, and basically for this time I'm going to apply to all. Okay, so all the slides have the same background. Now in the next step, I am going to insert a shape, basic shape. Okay, so here I'll insert the basic shape like this. Okay, and for this shape, the shape fill is going to be white and shape outline is also going to be the white. The width of the outline is going to be for 6 points and the transparency should be 80%. Alright, and in this we are going to write Monday. Let's increase the size of the text. So we'll go to the home tab and here let's increase the size. Okay. Fine, perfect. Now let's copy the same text box by pressing the Ctrl D and let's place it adjacent to the previous one like this. Again press the Ctrl D. Alright, again press the Ctrl D and fine. Okay, now we are going to, like this, we are going to make the 6 text boxes. So here we are. And now I'm going to select all the text boxes together and let's shift them a little bit upwards like this, and let's reduce the size of the stack. Alright, now the first day is going to be the Monday. For the second day, let's change it to Tuesday. Then Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. And Saturday. Okay, for this Friday the size is very small, text size, so let's increase it to 24. Alright, now fine. Okay, now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the same text box, okay, and I am going to place it exactly on top of the previous one like this, and now I will go to the shape format for this text box. Okay, so we'll go to the shape format here and I'll go to the selection pane. And for this text box, I'm going to name it as active. Alright, and I am going to send this text box to back. Alright, now the shape fill for this text box is going to be this dark red color. Okay, and I'll go to the shape format and let's decrease the transparency by 50%. Fine. We are going to link these boxes to these 6 slides. So we'll go to the Monday, we'll go to the insert option, we'll go to the link option, and in the link option I'm going to select the slide one like this. So whenever we are going to click on Monday, so this slide one will be displayed. Now we'll go to the box 2, that is Tuesday. Whenever we are going to click this second block, we'll go to the link, the slide 2 will be. Then again for Wednesday, similarly link places in this document. Okay, slide 3 for Wednesday, link slide 4, Friday, link, slide 5, Saturday, link, slide 6. Okay, now I'm going to select all these 6 text boxes like this, and I'm going to press the Ctrl C to copy all of them, and I'm going to press the Ctrl V to paste them in slide number 2. Okay, now in the next step we are going to select the active box here, and I am going to shift it to the second block, that is Tuesday. Similarly, I'll go to the slide number 3. I'm going to paste all the 6 text boxes here. Let's select the active one and let's shift it by pressing the right arrow key to the Wednesday block. Now we'll go to the slide number 4, paste, only select the active box and let's place it behind Thursday. Let's go to slide number 5. Okay, paste it. Let's decrease the size of the icon a little bit. Okay, and let's select the active box and let's place it behind Friday. Okay, now let's go to the slide number 6, paste it and only select the active text box and place it behind the Saturday. Alright, perfect. Now we have to give some transition effect. So I am going to select all the slides together by pressing the Ctrl A key, and now we'll go to the transition tab, and here I'm going to select the morph option. So here the duration is for 2 seconds. If you want, you can just reduce it, okay, to 1. Alright, okay, now let's have a final preview. So let's press F5 key for the slideshow. Okay, now if I click on Tuesday, so it will go to Tuesday. If I go to Saturday, if I go on Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. Beautiful, isn't it? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.